Welcome to the 365 channel English conversation video series. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Are you free today?
After 6 p.m., yes.
What's your favorite color?
I love navy blue.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you speak French?
Just a little.
Where are my keys?
Check your bag.
Hungry?
Starving.
Want some coffee?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
Is it cold outside?
A bit chilly.
Did you call me?
I texted you.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Do you like cats?
I prefer dogs.
Are you married?
Not yet.
Can you drive?
I'm learning.
Is this your pen?
Nope, not mine.
What's for lunch?
Maybe sandwiches.
How was work?
Really tiring.
You look happy.
I passed.
Do you jog daily?
Every morning.
Is the movie good?
It's amazing.
Need some help?
Yes, thanks.
Want to hang out?
Sounds fun.
How's your mom?
Much better now.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Can I borrow this?
Go ahead.
Do you like pizza?
Love it.
Is your phone new?
Just bought it.
Are you sick?
Just a cold.
Where's the bathroom?
Down the hall.
Are you busy?
Kinda, why?
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
Did you sleep well?
Like a baby.
What's your name?
I'm Emma.
Are you ready?
Almost.
What's your hobby?
I paint.
Can you sing?
In the shower.
What's wrong?
Just tired.
Is that your dog?
Yep.
Do you work here?
I do.
Want to play?
Sure.
Do you need water?
I'm good.
Have you eaten?
Not yet.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Got a minute?
For you. Always.
You live alone?
With a cat.
What's today?
It's Tuesday.
Where are you?
At home.
Is he nice?
Very sweet.
What's this?
A charger.
Who's calling?
No idea.
Do you like it?
Not really.
What's that noise?
Just the wind.
Is it far?
10 minutes walk.
Are we late?
Just in time.
Did it rain?
Heavily.
Any plans?
Netflix.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, always.
Miss me?
Every second.
How's your day?
Pretty good.
It's hot today.
Super hot.
Is this yours?
Nope.
Where to?
The park.
Any news?
Nothing big.
Do you like books?
Love reading.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
Do you sing?
Only in cars.
Is it spicy?
Just a bit.
Are you coming?
On my way.
Can we talk?
Of course.
Where do you live?
Nearby.
Do you have siblings?
One brother.
Are you tired?
A little.
You okay?
I will be.
New haircut?
You noticed.
Do you dance?
At parties.
You like sushi?
Love it.
Ready to go?
Yup.
Long day?
Super long.
Need a ride?
That'd help.
You cold?
A bit.
What's up?
Not much.
What's that?
A gift.
Do you smoke?
Nope.
Want dessert?
Always.
What's new?
Just working.
Watch the game?
Missed it.
Are you full?
Totally.
You busy tomorrow?
Kinda free.
Phone charged?
Not yet.
Any milk left?
Check the fridge.
You like rain?
I love it.
Have a pet?
A bunny.
You believe that?
Not really.
You like driving?
I do.
Want to dance?
Let's go.
Are you shy?
Sometimes.
Is this safe?
Very safe.
Any allergies?
Peanuts.
Want more?
I'm good.
Got the time?
It's for 45.
Like swimming?
A lot.
Did you hear?
What happened?
Traffic bad?
Crazy today.
Where's he?
Gone shopping.
Feeling okay?
Much better.
This your bag?
Looks like it.
That your car?
Nope, his.
Study today?
Later.
You done?
Almost.
It's late.
I know.
See you.
Bye.
Love music?
Who doesn't?
It's loud.
I'll turn it down.
Want gum?
Sure.
Need sleep?
Desperately.
You lost?
A little.
Call me.
Will do.
Don't cry.
I'll try.
Is that free?
Yes.
Feeling sick?
A bit.
Speak louder.
Okay.
Watch something?
Let's pick.
Stay longer?
Can't, sorry.
Eat outside?
Nice idea.
Weekend plans?
Just chill.
How's school?
It's okay.
Ice cream?
Yum.
Are you mad?
Not really.
It's raining.
Forgot my umbrella.
Your birthday?
Next week.
Can I try?
Go ahead.
You done yet?
Just finishing.
Have time?
For you, yes.
Is it free?
Totally.
Take a break.
Sounds good.
You walk here?
I biked.
Like your job?
I love it.
That funny?
Hilarious.
Hate Mondays?
Always.
Eat yet?
Just did.
Close the door?
Sure thing.
Who's there?
Just me.
Good book?
So far, yes.
Can I see?
Of course.
Watch this?
I have.
He's late.
Again.
Happy now?
Very.
Get ready.
Already am.
Want juice?
Yes.
Your shoes?
Not mine.
You hungry?
A little.
That loud?
Super loud.
Talk later?
Sure.
Like winter?
Not really.
See that?
Wow.
Play games?
Sometimes.
Clean this?
I'll do it.
This new?
Just bought.
Can you wait?
No problem.
Miss school?
Kinda.
Want to sleep?
Right now.
Have cash?
Only coins.
Like fruits?
Love them.
Get the door?
On it.
See my phone?
Check your desk.
Want to read?
Later maybe.
Like spicy food?
A little.
You scared?
Nope.
Time to eat.
Yay.
Be careful.
Always.
Is he gone?
Just left.
Buy anything?
Just snacks.
Catch the bus?
Barely.
Try this?
Okay.
Need coffee?
Yes.
Do it now?
Will do.
You done packing?
Almost ready.
You okay alone?
I'm fine.
Too hot?
Sweating here.
You bored?
A little.
Stay home?
All day.
Still mad?
Not anymore.